Hello everyone and welcome back to the Aqua Cloud channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss that every software tester and developer should be familiar with. We're going to dive into the question of when to stop our testing. It's a challenging decision to make, but fear not because I'm here to guide you through it. So let's get started. I would like to begin from addressing a common dilemma faced by many in the software testing field. Is the Pareto Principle sufficient to determine when to conclude our testing efforts? You may have heard of this principle, also known as 80-20 rule, which suggests that by the time we reach 20% of the testing process, we have identified 80% of issues. It sounds tempting, doesn't it? Saving time and money by stopping testing early. Well, unfortunately, it's not as straightforward as it seems. Depending on the industry, there may be numerous critical issues that cannot be overlooked. For instance, in the banking sector, ensuring software security is of utmost importance. Moreover, regression testing is a crucial consideration. We cannot simply assume that the developers' fixes haven't introduced new bugs. So, as much as we'd like to rely solely on the Pareto principle, it falls short in the context of software QA. However, all hope is not lost. We can strike a balance between allocating resources and achieving a high-quality software product by establishing well-defined exit criteria within our testing plan. These criteria act as checkpoints, providing clear guidance on when to conclude our testing efforts. Let's explore some of these criteria together. The first criterion we'll discuss is time. Every project has a fixed deadline, and sometimes certain features are not yet ready for production. In such cases, we need to temporarily pause our quality assurance efforts until the necessary improvements are made. It's all part of effective sprint planning and making informed decisions. Next, we have the test budget criterion. It's quite straightforward. If we lack the necessary resources to continue testing, we must accept the findings and issues discovered thus far. After all, financial constraints often play a significant role in decision making. Moving on, let's talk about requirements coverage. While we may not have the luxury of exploring every aspect in great depth, it is essential to ensure that our testing effort encompasses all key components of the software. Striving for comprehensive requirements coverage provides a solid foundation for moving forward. Now, let's delve into test coverage. While achieving 100% test coverage may not be realistic, it is crucial to have a substantial portion of the planned code covered by test cases. This ensures that our software is thoroughly examined and mitigates the risk of undiscovered defects. Last but not least, we have defect severity as a critical criterion. Defects are classified based on severity, ranging from critical to major, minor, and low. So, when should we conclude our testing efforts? It's simple here. We continue testing until all critical and major defects have been resolved. This approach ensures that our new software version is not more unstable than its predecessor. A fundamental aspect of both software development and maintaining positive client relationships. And there you have it, my fellow testers, a comprehensive understanding of test exit criteria to help us strike the right balance between covering requirements and optimizing our efforts. Remember to tailor these criteria to your product's specific needs and consider any regulatory requirements. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this discussion helpful in navigating the challenging decision of when to stop testing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AquaCloud YouTube channel for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on our channel. Until the next time, happy testing!